Welcome to Theben Academy, where tradition meets innovation and engineering meets education. We're proud to be the UK arm of a global leader in smart building and lighting control, bringing German precision and over a century of expertise into the heart of homes and buildings across the UK.
Theben, where are we coming from? This guy was the founder of Theben in 1921. So Theben was founded in Stuttgart. He is the great-grandfather of our current CEO. It's still a family-owned business with more than 100 years of history. Part of our DNA that we wanted to make sure that there is the energy at the right time where you need it. For comfort, but not for waste. So that was always the strategy.
The grand opening of the Theben Academy, the UK. Today this marks an exciting step forward in delivering expert training for KNX, Luxury Living, DALI 2-room solution and other stuff.
Our base at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre in Swindon reflects our commitment to accessibility and the community. It's an ideal location for connecting with installers, designers and self-builders. Here, we're not just showcasing products, we're helping shape the future of smart buildings through education and connection. We're an approved KNX training centre, offering accredited KNX courses, hands-on workshops and CPD sessions in lighting control and building automation. It's our way of giving back to the industry and helping the next generation of integrators, electricians and designers stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. From smart homes to intelligent buildings. From local support to global innovation. From automation to education. This is Theben. Rooted in trust, driven by knowledge, shaping the future.